Hey there, Filmator. Prepare to be amazed in today's mini tutorial, where we'll show you how to import your very own LUTs. But wait, what are LUTs and why should you care? Great question. LUTs, short for lookup tables, are like magical filters that instantly transform the colors and tones of your videos, making them look super professional and cinematic. And guess what? Filma is fully equipped to import .cube LUT files. You can find amazing LUTs all over the internet, from big brands to stock libraries. The world of LUTs is your oyster. Now, let's jump into Filma and learn how to import and use LUTs like a pro. Head over to the LUTs drawer and tap on that Add button. Navigate through your folders, find the LUT file you want to import, and select it. When the LUT importing screen pops up, give your LUT a cool, memorable name that you can easily reference in the future. And that's it, easy peasy. Your shiny new LUT now sits at the bottom of the LUTs collection, ready to be applied to any video, photo, GIF, or text in your timeline. Just like that, you've unlocked a whole new level of video editing awesomeness. And that's a wrap for today. Catch you in the next video and happy editing.